14 books, 47 bookmarks, 3 finance podcasts every week, 6 YouTube channels subscribed, 2 courses half finished, and somehow nothing has actually changed. No investment account open, no savings moved, no raise requested, no automatic transfer set up, no system built. Just more notes, more highlights, more saved posts, more pretending that learning is the same thing as changing. That is the knowledge trap. It does not catch lazy people. It catches people who are trying, people who read, people who listen, people who save every useful video and tell themselves they are getting ready. But be honest, are you learning? Or are you hiding behind learning? Because action would force you to face the result. You are not stuck because you know too little. You are stuck because knowing has become safer than doing. Follow and subscribe for more, and please like and share, and watch out for the next video in the series of The Knowledge Trap coming out soon. See you in the next one.